What's the single most important item in your home that has a value of $1 or less? A brown, plastic, realistic cockroach, nicknamed Freddy. We acquired it more than 20 years ago. I can't recall the place or reason. Maybe a Halloween party? Anyway, my wife and I have been hiding it from each other ever since. It could take months for Freddy to pop up, but he always does. She will discover it buried in the sugar pot. I will later find it inside a pair of shoes I rarely wear. It often makes us jump and gives a small fright. I'll hear my wife let out a surprised gasp, then go, "Oh, Freddy." For me, Freddy is a great symbol that our relationship is still solid after all these years, that we still take the time to have fun and surprise each other.